Hi guys, Miss Williams here. Today is April 2nd and it is a math day. And for math, you're going to be doing a number sense routine with me and a fact fluency routine. And then you're going to move to your math content with Miss Brown, and she's going to be continuing to teach you about measurements. And then you're going to be going and watching a video with Miss Whited on problem solving, and she's going to review some of your awesome strategies that you guys did in your problem on, it was Tuesday, and then she is going to introduce your new problem to you today. Speaking though of measurement, since you guys have been learning that this week, me and Blakely would like to do a little lesson on measurement, and we're going to make pancakes. Can you tell them what we're going to make? Say pancakes. Hey, take this out and say pancakes. Say pancakes. Yeah. Are we going to have, hey, do you want blueberries or chocolate chips in your pancakes? Chocolate? Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to put her down because it's not safe for her to be up here, but I hope you enjoy our pancake lesson. All right, go play with Nanny. Okay, here, take it to Nanny. You go. Go take it to Nanny. Okay. All right. Okay, we're ready to make some pancakes. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do some measuring to make our pancakes, okay? Let me see. I got all our ingredients here. So first you're going to need this, okay? Your pancake mixture, okay? You also will need a measuring cup, and we'll talk about how we're going to measure the pancake mixture. Then you're going to need some extra virgin olive oil spray for your pancake so it doesn't stick to your pan. And then you will need a spatula. You're going to need the spatula to flip your pancakes, and either blueberries, or you can add chocolate chips to your pancakes, okay? So let's get started. Also, you also need a bowl to put your pancake mixture in, okay? So we're gonna start with doing some measuring for our ingredients, okay? So I would like for you, we're gonna use 2 cups of this, okay? 2 cups of the pancake mixture. So I have my measuring cup here. This is, if you see, right, the light right here is 1 cup. So you're going to pour the mixture to 1 cup here, okay? So I'm going to pour the mixture in. Miss Williams is making a mess already. You hear Blakely listening to Baby Shark? Yep. Okay. 1 cup, and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. So here's 1 cup of the mixture. Now, we're going to do 2 cups because the recipe calls for 2 cups. So I'm going to do 1 more cup. So I'm going to pour it in here. Okay. Whew, Mommy's making a mess. Okay, here is another cup of our mixture. So I'm going to pour it into our bowl. So you have 2 cups now of your mixture in your bowl. All right, now you're going to have to need some water. Okay, you're going to need some water for your mixture. You can use water or you can use milk. Okay, you're going to use 1.5 cups of water. Uh-oh. Where did my screen go? Hold on, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. Something happened. Oh, no. There we go. Ugh, I thought I lost you. Okay, so sorry. You're going to get 1.5 cup of water. So I'm going to go over here to my sink here and I'm going to get some water. So give me a second. Okay, here's 1 cup. We're going to pour it in here and we're going to use a half more cup. So here's 1 cup. A half is half right here. Half says 1/2. We've learned fractions this year, so you should be able to see the half mark in your cup. So I'm going to get a half cup of water now. Half cup of water. Okay, so now we're going to pour it in our mixture. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to stir your mixture up. And Miss Williams, let me get a whisk because I didn't get a whisk. So hold on 1 second. Miss Williams might just have to use a spoon. She can't find her whisk. But okay, so now you're going to take your spoon and I'm just stirring my mixture here, okay? Stirring it. Now you want your consistency to be not too watery and not too lumpy, okay? Just right in the middle. And you're going to stir really good, really good. Stir, stir, stir. Get all the little clumps out. You want the large lumps to disappear. Now, you want to make sure that you're stirring. You don't want to beat, like use a beater, because if you do that, then it's not as thick of a pancake. So you want to make sure you just stir it, get those large lumps disappearing. If there's little lumps, it's okay. All right, so now we're gonna let it stand for 1 minute so it thickens up. You don't want it too runny. You want it kind of thicker, okay? So I'm gonna let it stand for 1 minute here. Now, if you notice, I have my little skillet here heating up. It's ready for pancakes, okay? It is ready for pancakes. So, oh, and my dog's barking, so I'm going to have to go let her in. This is real life, friends, so give me 1 second. Okay. Hey, Izzy, go lay down, please. Okay. I think my pancake mixture is ready. So now you can add blueberries or chocolate chips. Now, Blakely wanted some chocolate chips. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a batch with chocolate chips and a batch with blueberries, okay? So I'm going to pour some chocolate chips in. Okay, and then you're gonna mix the chocolate chips in. Now you don't want to mix them too much because you don't want the chocolate chips going straight to the bottom. You want them to kind of be mixed into your mixture. So just kind of lightly mix them in. Okay, lightly mix them in. Now we're ready to pour onto the skillet. Now, this is hot, so you need parents to be around if you're making pancakes, okay? Don't do this by yourself, okay? So Miss Williams is going to take her spray, and she's going to spray where I'm going to lay the pancake out. It's important to spray so that the pancake doesn't stick to your skillet, okay? So now I'm going to take my mixture here, and I'm going to pour it in. Now, only about 1/4 of a actually even smaller than that. Just make a small circle because then it starts to spread out. Okay, now you can do a bigger pancake if you want, but Miss Williams doesn't like her pancakes too big. Okay, after you let it sit on the pan, now you see it right here. I'm going to pull this down. See it right here cooking, okay? You're going to let it sit there, okay? So, and you want to look for the bubbles in the pancakes. Once you see it start bubbling, that's when you know that it's ready to flip, okay? So you'll flip it in about 90 seconds. So that's about 1.5 minutes, okay? So you're going to let it sit here. We're going to let it sit. Oh, it sure is looking good. Starting to puff up. You can always lift it up a little bit to look underneath to see how it looks. Okay, I think Miss Williams is gonna flip it. I think it's been about 1.5 minutes. So you're gonna put your pancake on your, well, this is the hard part. You're gonna take your spatula, put your pancake on it, and you're gonna flip it as fast as you can. Voila. Now, let me see if I can bring the computer so you can look. How lovely does that look? Oh my goodness, the lighting. It looks perfect. It's not too brown. It's not too light. So now I'm going to let it sit here for another 1.5 minutes to do the other side. Okay. Few more seconds on that other side. All right, now you take your pancake off your skillet. Look how delicious that looks. Look at the chocolate chips sticking out. I cannot wait to eat this. All right, so now you can take your butter. If you want to put butter on your pancakes, you can put 1 teaspoon of butter on your pancake and some yummy syrup. Drizzle that yummy syrup. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our pancake making party this morning, and maybe you'll make some pancakes this morning. If you do, send me a message on Flipgrid, and enjoy your morning. Hope you have a great math day. If you guys need anything, you can message me or Google Hangout with me. Have a great day. Bye.